Hey, so thank you so much for joining me this year. If you've watched any of my educational videos, training videos, courses, bought any books, that kind of thing, I want to just say thank you so much for being kind of a part of this community and family. And, everybody that contributes the kind things, the interacts with other people, that's always a good thing to kind of create a good synergy and bond. So I want to wish you a great Merry Christmas, Happy New Year as you move forward, and a wonderful next year ahead for 2021 to try and make the most of it. If you're still just kind of getting going and ramping things up, then don't worry. It takes time to kind of climb up a hill or go up a mountain. You have to give it time and give it, be a little more patient with it. So keep pushing yourself, keep working yourself, working with the trades, put on practice things, and you'll continue to evolve and improve. And for those of you, just as a quick reminder, if you're still interested in getting one of the courses that we have available, we still do have the Options Foundation version 2.0 course here that's going to expire with the coupon very shortly. So that coupon gives you $50 off. You can see the coupon there once you click the Learn More. You can get this course at, you could just go to Rise, the number 2, LEARN, and use coupon code STARTOPTIONS50 to save $50. Or if you go to our Traders Fly website, it'll be right there on the homepage and reroute you. So anyways, thanks again. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope you have a great Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a wonderful start to your 2021 as you progress into that next year. Take a moment to plan out some things. What is it that you want to do? What is it that you want to accomplish? And how do you want your life to look like? Because remember, there's more to life than just money. Go out, do what you love, contribute to other people, but most importantly, live life abundantly. I'll see you next time in the next video and next year.